everybody, Tyler Owens, your Spokane, Washington realtor. I hope you're all having a great day. I know I am because I got to hang out in this home for a few hours, and man, what a treat! This historical South Hill home is a 5-bed, 3-bath home that's a little over 3,000 square feet. It is a beautiful place. For those of you who missed the open house, grab your popcorn and enjoy the walkthrough. Yummy. Okay, it's really good. All right, well, what'd you think? Pretty sweet, huh? Like, really sweet. Like, I might hide, and then hopefully they go out of town, and I'll just live here forever. If you loved it, let me know, and I can show it to you. If you're looking for a house in the Spokane, Washington area, or you want to sell your home, I would love to represent you. So give me a call today and enjoy your real estate experience. And remember, my name is Tyler Owens, helping you get ready to live in Spokane, Washington. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Take care now. Bye-bye then. I love this popcorn. It's so good.